Here's the shocking truth about six-pack abs. As opposed to what you're probably seeing as you're scrolling around on your social media feed, it's actually very rare for people to get six-pack abs, even if they're healthy and strong. Having visible washboard six-pack abs either requires you to have a very, very low body fat percentage or a high amount of muscle mass. Having a low body fat percentage is not always the healthiest, and having a high amount of muscle mass, that's usually seen in fitness competitors, athletes, bodybuilders, models, or people that are just focused on achieving that goal. And not to mention genetics. But for an everyday person, you don't need to visually see an 8 or a 6-pack or a flat tummy to be considered healthy or even fit. Fun fact, did you know it's actually easier to be a millionaire than to have 6-pack abs? About 8% of America's population are millionaires, whereas 2% of the population have 6-packs. All to say that don't worry about what you're seeing online, that's just a very small minority of the fitness community. On your fitness journey, focus on your strength and your health rather than just the aesthetics. Having visible abdominal muscles is not a reliable indicator of physical fitness. Kudos to you if you have them, but for the rest of us, let's stay realistic and let's focus on the more important things. Don't do anything drastic just for the looks. Focus on your overall strength, including your core overall. Focus on your mobility and your cardiovascular health, and of course, healthy nutrition. Do that and you're in for a great quality of life. I hope this helps.